Ever noticed how uninstalling an app on your Mac sometimes doesn't really uninstall it? Yeah, it's still hiding somewhere in your system, taking up space, slowing things down. Today, I'll show you two simple ways to remove apps from your Mac, the normal way and the complete deep clean method the pros use. Before we dive deeper into this topic, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss another life-saving trick for your Mac. Alright, let's get started. Simple drag and drop uninstall. Let's start with the basic one, the drag and drop uninstall. This works fine if you just want to remove an app quickly. Step 1. Quit the app completely. Click the Apple logo, force quit, select the app, and hit force quit. Now, open Finder, go to your Applications folder, and simply drag that app to the trash. Right-click your trash and choose Empty Trash. And that's it. The main app is gone and everyone here just telling you about it. But here's the catch. This only removes the surface. The hidden files, caches, and leftover junk, they're still sitting quietly inside your system. Now, if you want to completely remove an app, including every trace of it, follow these deeper steps carefully. Step 1. Open Finder again. Then press Command+Shift+G to open the Go-To folder box. Now type as showing on the screen and hit Return. Find the folder with your app's name and drag it straight into the trash. Then repeat this same process for these locations one by one. Each time, look for any folders or files that match the app's name, and I am providing these locations in the description. Simply copy and paste into Go to the Folder window. When you're done, empty your trash again. That's it. Your Mac is now clean. No hidden files, no leftover junk, just free space and smooth performance. Bonus tip: restart your Mac after uninstalling apps. It helps refresh your system and clears any cached memory. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like and share with friends and family.